Now about the weather, and is it sort of skewing worse for Thursday or skewing better? A lot of questions about this.
It sounds like a lot of snow, Eric.
You know, that's a question that we get a lot. Is this good or bad? Well, I don't know. Is it good or bad? It depends on what you like, I guess, right? You know, there isn't good or bad weather. There's just weather and whether or not we're prepared for it. And so hopefully the forecast will have us all prepared for Thursday. It's been a really cold stretch. We know that. We've had now a long stretch of days, 20 or colder in Boston, tying the record dating back all the way to 1872. The coldest stretch overall was in 1918. Look at those high temperatures. Not too much milder, relatively speaking, compared to what we've just seen. This is as cold as it gets across New England. Now, as for Thursday, it starts between midnight and 5 a.m. It'll end on Thursday evening, so this is pretty much an all-day event. Blizzard conditions are possible with this one, with some strong snowfall rates, especially mid-morning to mid-afternoon. Wind gusts, I think, are the biggest story overall because any power outages would actually be quite dangerous. I don't like to throw that word around too much, but when you have power outages and it's going to be as cold as we're expecting late this week, that's a pretty nasty setup. In fact, it'll get much colder than what we have right now, which is plenty cold enough in the teens across the area. Deep freeze continues across all of the Northeast. In fact, the cold air is all the way down toward the Gulf Coast, which is where our storm is going to have its beginning. Right now, barely shows up. You see some of that disturbed weather around the parishes of southern Louisiana and heading over toward Florida. That's where things will organize, and storms that begin in the tropics and have all that energy, they can really perform. And I think this is going to be a powerhouse storm system off our coastline. So tonight's temps will be in the single digits, not quite as cold as the last couple of nights. And tomorrow afternoon, not quite as cold as the last couple of days. Not too much wind, and high temps will be well up into the 20s during the afternoon. So if you want to get outside, run some errands, make sure the house is ready to go, and maybe sneak in a long run if you're trying to find some windows. Tomorrow is your day. Now, late tomorrow night, that's where we start to see that snow develop, moving up across the region. And by commute time on Thursday, it's snowing just about everywhere. We may see some rain initially across Cape Cod and the islands. Might be just mild enough for that. As the day goes on, the snow rates increase. We'll look at our heaviest snowfall from Worcester eastbound, and that snow line will be crashing back to the east as well as the afternoon goes on. That will be important because as we head into Thursday evening and temperatures fall in places that were a little bit milder, things will freeze up very rapidly. So this is going to be a nasty day for travel. And we'll look at some significant snow, 8 to 12 inches of snow for a large portion of the area. That includes the city of Boston. We may see a little bit lower totals toward the South Shore with a chance for a bit of mixing and a wetter snow consistency for a time. Everywhere from Boston west, this is fluffy snow. It's going to be quite cold outside, but you'll get the wetter stuff towards southeastern Massachusetts. And then it gets a little bit drier as we head toward the evening and that cold moves in. Mentioned, I think the biggest story here is the wind because of that power outage potential. Very strong gusts, Cape Ann, Cape Cod, down toward the islands and parts of the South Shore, 50 to 70 miles per hour, and enough wind to see a lot of blowing and drifting for inland areas as well. So that wind creating a potential of power outages, but also some coastal flooding, at least minor flooding, some pockets of moderate coastal flooding. So that could be on the more significant side of things. And those high tides to watch will be in the early afternoon. The other thing to watch on top of all this, not just the water, the wave action, freezing spray will be a problem, but there's so much ice out there. It's been so cold outside. This is a look at Cape Cod Bay, and so that ice can get pushed ashore and cause more damage. And that'll be another element of our story. And the end of all of it is the cold. On Friday, our wind chill values go well below zero. In fact, we'll be pushing 30 below zero by Friday night. So there's the full 7-day, and the high will just be in the low teens on Friday. The wind making it feel a lot colder. Saturday is the bottom of the barrel, a high of 6, way below zero for low temps on Saturday night. David and Lisa, over to you.
We have been warned, Eric.
The bottom of the barrel. That sounds nice.
I mean,